Node is a JavaScript platform. So the best way to think of it is that it is a platform. So you can do, pretty much anything with it. You can, any compute environment that it runs on, you can kind of do a lot of stuff with. And it started back in 2009. And the whole idea behind Node was that JavaScript didn't really have a platform that would run on all these different compute environments. And JavaScript was also very efficient because of all of these battles from the browser wars. And it also was a really good fit for non-blocking I/O and being very, very efficient with I/O because there wasn't a threading model inside of JavaScript at the time. So since then, we've done a ton of work to make it incredibly fast, incredibly efficient. VMs have gotten much, much better. And through that entire time, one of the things that happened in computing is that all of these different environments that we need to work in started to get more and more constrained. So we started to see JavaScript kind of go everywhere. And Node is kind of the thing that's bringing JavaScript everywhere. So it's bringing it, to mobile devices through Cordova and desktop applications through Electron. And it's bringing it to like all these new front-end applications like, React and Babel. Those are all written in Node. And also, as you were mentioning earlier, on IoT devices now on device inside of Intel and Tessel and a lot of other great people. So we're really seeing kind of this explosion of like a new full stack that you have to contend with, where there are all these different compute environments, and Node is kind of the thing that's pulling them all together.
Okay, now just to clarify, first when I hear the word JavaScript, I'm thinking something in the browser, but this is really nothing in the browser. This is actually a standalone application that runs things that browsers could possibly talk to with the HTTP modules, but we're really talking about a VM, a standalone application that has maybe multiple threads of doing all sorts of activity.
Right. It's similar to, something that you would write in, Python or Go or Ruby or anything like that. Except the main difference is that we're using the language of the browser. So if you were talking, in a browser and in the backend, you would have the same language and a lot of the same utilities. And we're kind of able to leverage a lot of the web and a lot of different web technologies in all of these other compute environments that traditionally did not allow you to use web technologies.